What's going on, y'all? It's your boy Playmaker Way with the playbook, and y'all read the title, man. Trump is back. Buy these crypto ASAP or miss out. Now, this is your first time on the channel. Welcome. I want to appreciate you giving this video a chance. Make sure to hit that bell and sub button because we don't just post weekly crypto analysis, but we also post weekly Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana analysis, as well as weekly stock analysis. And most importantly, we also day trade over here. So we live stream, live trade every day, London session 3 and EST on this very same channel. So over here, I'll show you not only how to make passive income, but as well as active income, meaning how to make money on the front end, as well as how to make money on the back end. So let's talk about how making money on the front end. I want to give a special shout out to members and students. You already know we went 3-1 last week, giving us a 75% win rate, which is not bad at all. The week before that, we went 6-0, which is not bad at all. And then, of course, to start off the year, we went 3-0. And to wrap up last year, if you go into the free signal, free Telegram, first link in the description, and as you can see, just scroll down to January 3rd, you will see how we ended quarter 4 last year. October, we went 15-1, catching 14,935 pips. November, we went 14-1, catching 14,549 pips. And then December, we went 12-2, catching 2,746 pips. Ended quarter 41-4, giving us a 91% win rate all 3 months combined. So all those 3 months, we only took 4 losses, which is not bad at all. So make sure to join a winning team, y'all. It's called the Playbook for a reason. You go to where it says subscribers. There's over 1,000 photos, 3 years worth of receipts, screenshots of positions, screenshots of signals, as well as student results and testimonials. So make sure to explore that Telegram, check all that stuff out, and make sure to check out the playlist on this channel as well. It's called the Playbook for a reason, y'all. Now, in this video, we're going to be going over some coins that y'all need to have. Okay, I'm not saying to make this 50% of your portfolio, but I'm saying you definitely do not want to regret or miss out having these coins. So before we get into these charts, I want to show y'all some extra coins that y'all need to pay attention to as well, because I'm about to give you some bonuses. So make sure to get y'all screenshots and y'all's notes ready. So in the crypto telegram, by the way, if you guys want access to the crypto telegram, you just gotta do 3 things. You subscribe to the channel, follow me on Instagram and TikTok, DM me, screenshot all 3, you'll be added to the channel. So I dropped this the other day for y'all. I talked about this before, but you can see this was a whole month ago, right? A whole month ago, Trump's crypto venture, major investment in 3 special altcoins worth nearly $20 million. There's multiple sources talking about this. This is real news, right? So those 3 things that Trump's crypto ventures, it was one of Trump's businesses. I forgot which business or company, but he bought Ethereum, AAVE, and Chainlink. He bought 10.4 million Ethereum, 1.4 million total in AAVE, and 2.2 million in Chainlink. And again, I've been telling y'all about Chainlink for a minute, y'all. We scroll up a little bit further, you'll see that Chainlink was just $26.60. It's still kind of floating at $26, but we scroll up even further, you'll see that literally 3 weeks ago in the video top 3 cryptos to buy before 2025, I told y'all to get on the Chainlink when it was at $22. It was at $22 earlier this week as well. So if y'all got in at $22, you would be super up right now. Also, my most recent crypto video, I talked about Chainlink. So in this video, I'm not going to talk about Chainlink, but I just want to let y'all know that y'all need to have some Chainlink as well. So if you want that analysis on Chainlink, check out my other video after this one. So this first crypto we're going to be talking about is, of course, the Trump coin. Now, again, everybody was talking about how price was tanking. If you're going to be investing, especially long term, this is what you guys need to understand. There's a huge difference between something tanking and retracing, right? When things are retracing, that is when y'all want to get in. A lot of mistakes investors make is y'all only want to get into a coin or a stock when it's already increasing in value. No, you want to get in when it is decreased in value. That way you have a higher likelihood of making some profit versus price already increased in value. You get at the top and then you get caught in the retracement. Of course, you're not going to make any money. So this is actually a good time for those that actually are interested in this coin to get in it, because it did a huge retracement, did a big spike, hit freaking almost $100, and then retraced all the way down to $30. And now it's on Coinbase as well as some other main crypto investment apps and websites as well. So definitely it's about to blow up soon. He just swore in. He got the buzz. People are kind of nervous, but again, when we look right here, we have a strong resistance level at $45. So if it can break and hold $45, we can see price pushing back up to $51, $52, and possibly back up to $60. So pay attention to those price points. Now, if it fails to break that level, it did respect $38 below it. So as long as it respects $38, it's not going to go back to $30. But if it rejects $38 and starts trading as resistance, it could retrace back down to $30. So the next price point you guys need to pay attention to is, like I said, it needs to hold $45 as support. If it can hold $45 as support, we can see $50 and ultimately $60 get back up there. Now, again, once we get to $60, then we'll talk about that if we need to talk about that. But these are the next 3 or 4 price points y'all need to pay attention to when it comes to this Trump coin. Now, again, it went as low as $37 earlier today, and it's up 7% right now. So again, $35, excuse me. So again, if y'all got to get in on this, okay? But if y'all don't want to get into this Trump meme coin, y'all definitely want to get into these altcoins, because these are going to be affected majorly due to Trump being in office and the things that they got planned, okay? So that's going to bring us into coin number 2, which is going to be AAVE. Now, this coin is a sleeper coin, but it's very, very, very important, which is why it's one of the most expensive coins as far as crypto is concerned. In the altcoins, right? Because there's a few that are a little bit more expensive than this one, or a little bit cheaper, but this is one of the ones that's actually like a stock price, like a popular stock price, because obviously there's penny stocks, you get what I'm saying? Now, for the day, it is up 12%. Again, Trump bought a ton of AAVE, and just the day alone is up 3%. Excuse me, not 12%. It's up $12, but it's up 3%. But for the week, it is up 25%, was as low as $285, went as high as $378. It's currently at $361 at the time of this recorded video. So looking here, again, we're in a huge higher high. We're about to see if we can take out these highs to the left, right? We got a little bit of consolidation and level of traffic, but we have a clean higher high right here, as we can see. So what we really need price to do when we go into the smaller time frame, about to see if it has done so, it's attempting to, but it hasn't really done so yet. But it needs to respect and hold 330 as support. If AAVE can hold 330 as support, we can see 450, 455 getting hit easily. Now, if it ends up rejecting this level, it could try to retrace and retest 250. So again, you're late, but it's not too late. So pay attention to these 2 price points, right? But it's going to need to definitely respect 250. Now, if it can break and hold 455 as support, we can see obviously 500 to 560 getting hit. Okay, so pay attention to those price points right there. And then that's going to bring us into this last coin right here, which is HBAR. Now, I've been telling y'all about HBAR for a long time. I've been talking about HBAR literally since November, so when it was at 10-15 cents. So some of us already have doubled our investments, because at the time this video is sitting at 32 cents. But for the day, it is down 3%. So again, it is on sale. It is on sale. But for the month, it's done a 22% gain. Now, the reason why I'm telling y'all to get into HBAR, I want y'all to do research on HBAR, so I don't want to talk about it too much, because I want to encourage y'all to start looking at these companies' websites and their business programs and what they're actually being used for, and you'll be shocked and surprised what companies are already implementing or being used or using them. All right. Now, again, nice bullish momentum, but we're kind of consolidating right here. We broke through this consolidation though, right? So now we're retesting to see if we can maintain a whole 32 cents as support. If we can hold that level as support, we can see price going back up to 40 cents. Now, we need price to break 40 cents and hold that support for not only the all-time highs to get hit again, but for a new higher high to be made. So if it can hold 40 cents of support, we can see 45, 55 cents get hit easily. Now, it's going to need to maintain and respect 25 cents of support, which we've seen so far. If it doesn't do that, we could see a harsh retracement come down and retest that level. Okay, y'all. So these are the 3 crypto coins y'all need to get into now that Trump is in office. If y'all enjoyed this video, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Comment down below any questions, comments, concerns you may have. Make sure to hit that first link in the description, join a free Signal and free Telegram. If you're interested in how to identify these levels by Signal Service, my mentorship program, make sure to hit those links in the description, y'all. But before you make a decision, let me tell you a little bit about those details. Advanced Play Signal, we trade Tokyo session exclusively with the members. We trade London session and then New York. Just like the Sunday chart analysis I drop in the free signal room, I drop one every day during New York session called the New York Price Watch List. This is where I go over the trades we took during Tokyo session, London session, and possible setups going into New York. I don't just say we're looking for buys or looking for sells. I explain why we're looking for buys, why we're looking for sells, and then I take it a step further and go over key price points to look for entries and exits on. As you can see here, I call this signal. You see I'm walking y'all through what's going on with the trades we're in. I'm giving y'all updates to what I talked about in the New York Price Watch List. And then of course you see me showing y'all screenshots to visually show y'all what's going on behind the scenes, or what I see on my end behind the scenes. All right, we also have exclusive live streams that we go live during New York news events at least twice a week. And just like the London session lives, if you missed the live, they're recorded and posted in here so you can watch them when you get a chance. You have access to over 500 videos of daily chart analysis and weekly live streams. And in fact, you have access to even the ones last year in 2022. Then there's also the pinned messages like the account size key, the student and member group chat, and much more. Now I also have the course, of course. The course doesn't just teach you my trading strategy, it also teaches you how to read the charts, because that's what I teach y'all. You saw I had no indicators, no trend lines. It's simply just market flow and trading and entering and exiting off key price levels. Now all the stuff that I just went over, you get access to all that stuff in the course channel. So that way, not only do you have the step-by-step playbook of how to look and read any chart at all times, but you have ongoing chart analysis, ongoing education for life. Now I also have one-on-one sessions. One-on-one sessions also comes with access to the advanced play signal room and the student member group chat. That way you can earn while you learn, but then you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded an hour long, but you also get 2 sessions a week that are recorded in an hour long and they're sent to you same day. Those are yours to keep for life. So if you're interested in that, hit those links in the description. If y'all want to contact me directly, y'all can DM me on Instagram at playmaker_way. Also make sure to follow me on there, and TikTok _playmakerway_. I post daily on both pages. And I'll see y'all next time I'm live or next time I post a video. Peace. We out.